JBL Xtreme 2. JBL Xtreme 2 will offer bigger, better sound. JBL announced several new products at CES 2018, some of which I covered from the show. One I didn't get a chance to write up was the upcoming Xtreme 2 wireless speaker, the next generation of the company's well-regarded jumbo portable Bluetooth speaker. It's due to ship this spring for $300, £250, 350 Australian dollars. While the Xtreme 2 isn't quite as big as the typical boombox from yesteryear, JBL's larger boombox is. The idea is that it's supposed to put out nearly as much sound as one. To that end, JBL has upgraded the drivers in the Xtreme 2 so the speaker has bigger, fatter sound with even more bass. And now it's fully waterproof. I had a quick listen to it at the show, but it was hard to tell just how much improved its sound truly is since I didn't have the earlier model to compare it to. However, for what it's worth, JBL was offering up a listening test versus the similarly priced Mega Boom, and Xtreme 2 clearly output more bass and volume. However, the Mega Boom is a significantly smaller, more portable speaker,